Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Shill stream. It's Netflix and Shill today. Got a couple things we want to talk about. Netflix definitely just seen a rise in price. Seems like it's pulling back already. There was a couple of earnings reports that came out. Also Snapchat, they also had a pretty good report out, so they seem to have a pretty good day. We're going to talk about that. There's some other interesting things going on as well. Obviously, everything that's happening around oil, we kind of talked about that yesterday. If you guys want to chat about that as well, feel free. If you're watching the replay, just know we talk about all these types of things. And Ripple is suing YouTube. That's right, Ripple is suing YouTube. So we're going to talk about why they're suing YouTube, what's going on with that. We'll definitely get into it. So if you're new to the Shill stream, make sure you hit that like button and we're gonna get into it. But before we actually truly get into it, let's just switch on over. If you do not trade stocks on Webull, you can support this channel by using the link in the description below to sign up. They have a crazy referral program. I get rewarded when you use my link in the description below, but you get rewarded as well. Just for signing up, you will get one free stock that is valued between $2.50 and $250. And if you deposit $100 that you do not have to use, fully redeemable, you can withdraw it back as soon as everything clears with the normal bank transaction times. You will get another free stock valued between $12 and $1,400. I've gotten a few free stocks myself. It's a wonderful app. I mean, zero commissions, so it's like free trading. They have all the technical analysis tools, whether it's trend lines, it's moving averages, it's Fibonacci's, all those different kinds of things. It works on mobile, and they have a browser option as well. Actually, this is it right here. It's pretty nice. They got extended hours trading, 24/7 online help, and I've actually gotten help not through their regular chat but through email, and they responded to me pretty quick. They're SIPC insured, of course. And if you're already trading on it right now, if you refer 2 friends and you don't use my link in the description, you already have it. If you refer 2 friends, they deposit $100, you'll get 6 free stocks. They have crazy promotions, so even if you're just looking for some type of affiliate referral program, this is a great place to start. So I would suggest you guys check it out, and I'd appreciate it if you use the link in the description below. If you're new to the channel, man, this is the Shill stream, man. We talk about all types of things, mostly cryptocurrency. Hey, crypto and culture's in the building. What's up? Tommy Brown, what's goody? We talk about all types of things. We talk about what's going on in the regular markets, mostly in the crypto markets, but it really doesn't matter. We all have the same goal of becoming financially free or financially stable, whatever it is. This is the journey we on. YouTube growth, everything, we talk about it right here. It's all about that digital wealth, man. So feel free to just come through, join the chat. I'm here every single night, 8 p.m. Eastern time. I've slacked quite a few times, but just check for me and I'll most likely be here. That's pretty much all I got there. So a couple things, like I mentioned, Netflix, they had a pretty crazy day. Snapchat had a pretty crazy day after earnings reports. Well, really for their after hours, and we'll look at it. It seems like Netflix kind of pulled back. Ripple is suing YouTube. Ripple is suing YouTube. So we'll talk about that as well. And I'm actually, I kind of understand why they're suing, and it's somebody needed to finally do it. I just wonder if it will affect anything else in crypto. YouTube has already been attacking content creators based around crypto, and most of the prices have not really gone anywhere. So let's check out CoinGecko. I haven't really seen anything crazy. I think Engine had a pretty good day. Hey, Imus, what's up, bro? How you doing? Thanks for coming back. Thanks for jumping in the chat. So in the past 24 hours, yeah, why doesn't it organize top to bottom here on CoinGecko? I'm seeing it like kind of all over the place, right? Or is it just this one? Is this like a glitch? Because this 4.8% is over this 9%, and that makes no sense. It's supposed to be sorting in order, so that's kind of strange. And this 9% is over this 9.2%, but then after that, yeah, like it's all over the place. They got to get it together, man. Flash the smoke. What up, man? Hey, thanks, Imus. Feels good to be back. I was on a hiatus, man. I was bugging out. I don't know what's wrong with me, man. It feels natural being back here. I wasn't even doing anything. I was going crazy, getting bored and stuff. I'm still working and all that, but what is wrong with me? Happy Lux is in the building. What up, Happy Lux? Hey, I'm so happy to see some of these names, man. I gotta stay on top of these streams, bro. So I don't know why they're not going in order. It looks like the 1 hour is going in order, descending. Let's see, the 7-day looks fine, but CoinGecko is having a glitch with their 24 hours in their ascending, and I think descending is fine. Nope. And they're descending, so their 24-hour column is kind of messed up, but that's okay. So I seen Engine had a pretty good day, 9%, like 10% in some points of the day, maybe more, maybe less. I don't know why. I didn't see anything. We could check out their Twitter. Yeah, I said this quarantine got everybody bugging, man. I know, man. Thankfully I still leave and go to work, but at the same time it's a gift and a curse, because every day that you out there, man, you kind of worry about what your coworkers are doing, if they're in places that they shouldn't be hanging out, around groups of people, and can they attract it, and you just take every day one step at a time. You rock your little mask. Know what I'm saying? You keep the mask on. Make sure you stay safe out there. This is me at work all day, looking like Sub-Zero. But I'm in Florida, so ain't no Sub-Zero surviving out here, bro. It is blazing hot. It's ridiculously hot here in Florida. It's crazy. But besides all that, man, I definitely I just try to protect myself, make sure I clean up my workstation every day, and as a supervisor there, I get to make sure other people are cleaning up their areas, and we're keeping sanitary, and doing our best, man. But aside from that, man, it is pretty boring. People are going crazy, man. I even me on the weekends, I'm like, I find stuff to do. I got a newborn, so Sunday I'm watching her, Saturday I'm probably cutting the grass, and that's sad that like that's my life now. I'm like, cut the grass. It was a day today. Yeah, so let's see. Have you met Uji, the diligent, Yeah, I don't really see anything the future holds. Blockchain server. Yeah, nothing really going on that Engine will pump. Probably just some technical analysis that people are following. Engine is definitely one of the projects that I admire. But I'm trying to just take the feelings out of my investment strategy. They'll definitely be part of my portfolio, but I'm just gonna be doing probably mostly 30% Bitcoin, 30% ETH, or maybe even more, 40-40, and then do 20% to alt or something like that. So I'm still figuring it out, taking it easy, just averaging in here and there, and I'll figure that all out along the way, and I'll keep you guys informed, of course. H Boogie, peace and blessings right back to you, bro. So I'm not even gonna look at too many coins yet. If you guys have any coins you want to look at, just let me know, man. But it didn't really look like there was that much going on today. But Netflix, so Netflix for the after hours, they were having some a pretty good rise, but it seems like it pulled back down. So it closed here around 433. Yeah, around 433 is what it closed at, and then it suddenly started rising during after hours period all the way up to 446 ish. So here's where they closed, and then they went up. That just don't look right. They were up They were definitely up significantly higher, but it looks like Netflix is at all-time highs. Is just about where they're at, which is crazy. Netflix is at all-time highs amidst all that's happening right now. Previous all-time highs were, sorry, this thing is in my way. We're back in June of 2018. June of 2018, here we are reaching all-time highs for Netflix, and that is obviously due to the quarantine, man. I think they actually did not meet their earnings per share that they were hoping to. They were just slightly down, but nonetheless, they grew. Where is it? What is it? Almost 16 million paid subscribers in a quarter. Their highest quarter previous to this quarter right here was 9 million new subscribers. 9 million. They got 16. That's like almost 50% higher. What is that? Look, that's probably more than 50% higher. Am I bugging? Not gonna do the math right now. But their highest previous addition in subscribers was 9 point something million. Now, almost 16 million in a quarter, man. Almost 16 million and a quarter. H Boogie said, why do people buy stocks at all-time high prices? I don't know, man. That's because there's usually, so stocks are different from cryptocurrency. They actually have things going on. You know, I love cryptocurrency, but it's like we don't really have the same type of bullish news that some of these real working companies have. You know, the fact that this Netflix has been going up. Look at this. This is why people buy at the all-time high, because Netflix, month after month, since October, has just been nothing but gains. Yeah, you've had some days you had this crazy wick just due to the illness coming all the way down here, but month over month, it's been gains on gains on gains. And not everybody's looking into cryptocurrency or gold or whatever the case might be in order to grow their portfolio. They look at traditional stocks, and Netflix is in you know, an unfortunately perfect position. It's hard to really word that in a way that makes sense, because people are quarantined, they're staying home, they're watching content, and they do have some challenges they had to face, you know, because it's slowing down some of their new television shows for the first quarter. They said it shouldn't really hurt them for the second quarter because, you know, just recording and all, whatever they got to do, their process to get these new shows out. But that's why people buy at the all-time high, my friend. Because amidst a pandemic, this is what Netflix is doing. And let's be real. Everything ain't about to open back up that quickly. People are still gonna be using Netflix. They expect their growth to slow down, of course. They think it's only natural that it slows down. They know that this is a temporary situation. But is it really? You know, how temporary is it? It might be for another quarter. I think that Netflix might see further all-time highs. But, you know, not financial advice. I don't know. But I think they'll probably see more all-time highs, man. Netflix is one of the greatest, in my opinion, you know, companies and stocks that, like, in my lifetime so far. You know, I know Bitcoin is the best, you know, performing asset in the past 10 years and whatnot, but sheesh, Netflix did its thing, bro. Ima said all virtual products will do good during the quarantine. A lot of them are, man. A lot of them are doing good, man. But you don't see, I don't know if Disney reported out yet, but you don't see numbers like Disney flying up or some of these other streaming services. Hold on, let me definitely skip this beat. I always get flagged for it. I gotta just remove it from my playlist. But a lot of people, including myself, were very skeptical as to what is going to happen, or was going to happen, to Netflix once Disney came through and took everything. You know, Disney got like all the Star Wars content. They got like the first 21st Century Fox. They have all the Marvel content. And it was like, dang, Netflix, you about to have nothing. But that's not true, man. They have a lot of original content that people are actually rocking with, man. The stupid Tiger King stuff. I just started watching Black AF. Pretty funny. So, you know, Netflix, they're doing its thing, man, and I don't think it's gonna stop, man. You know, there's some other streaming services coming out, and I think that what's happening is that Netflix already had a long head start, and then all these new streaming services are all coming out at once, and they're creating a bottleneck for themselves, really. They're creating a bottleneck while Netflix is already standing where the grass is greener. Yeah, Disney, they're hurting because of their theme parks. Their theme parks, I believe, is like, oh, I forgot what it was, like 40%. It was like a large number, and I don't want to be misleading, but it was something like 30 or 40% of their revenue, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. Oh, did Snap pull back as well? Is this the right one? I believe that is it. Isn't that crazy? Snap. Are they showing the after hours market? Maybe I need to look on like Webull or something. Yeah, cause on Webull I'm seeing the after hours. Let's see if you guys could see it up here. Let me take this Snap thing off. So you can see the after hours here on Webull. I'm telling you, this is a solid little app, man. Notes. I didn't even know I could type notes. That's crazy. So that's Netflix. Let's look at Snap. There you go. So for after hours, it's looking like it's just about $15 is what we'll be opening at, and it's 20.5% gain. And actually, one of the free stocks that I got was Snapchat. And it just cleared into my account today on Webull. So I got a free Snapchat stock because, not even because somebody signed up using my referral link, because I used somebody else's, I got those free stocks. So, and depositing, of course, which is dope. Iman said he bought that crude oil dip. Hey, I feel you, man. How long you think it's gonna take for things to turn around, though? I think they'll definitely level out a little bit, but long term, it's gonna take a while to get back to where it really needs to go. Might take a little while, man. I wish I could see, and there's probably like a setup to really like see the after hours candles. I don't know why I'm not seeing it on TradingView. I want to see the after hours. Snap is a sell. On the moving averages, strong sell. Oscillators, it's a buy. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. So we'll just let that be. I'll try to figure that out. When the economy opens, demand will skyrocket. It will, but there's like an abundance of oil. They've overproduced to the point where they cannot store it, and they are paying for people to take it and store it. Like, and people with storage to take it. So yeah, demand is gonna definitely go up when the economy pops up, but the supply will still outweigh the demand by far. That's my expectations. And to be completely honest, the economy opening back up is not gonna be just a flip of a switch. Like, a lot of people are not gonna, they're still gonna want to social distance. They're still gonna want to wear masks. They're still not gonna want to travel, go on vacations, take flights. People don't have money. A lot of people lost jobs. That means less business travel, you know, less everything, less hotel bookings for events, all types of stuff. A lot of that is going to slow down, man. So less business travel means less demand for fuel, for oil. It will take a while, but if it's something that you're looking at the long-term play on, hey, Otto Banks, man, never late, bro. You could come through just to be like, yo, just wanted to say what up. I'm out. What up, though? Glad you made it, bro. Glad you jumped in the chat, too. We were just looking at some of these stocks. If anybody knows how to look at after hours for some of these, like, I don't know why it doesn't show it, but here on Webull, you can see on the top right corner over here, up 20%, bro. 20% for tomorrow, which is crazy. So I'm pretty excited because I gotta, you know, it's the price per share is pretty small. It's only $12.44 at closing today. But I got a free share. I got a free stock from Webull, so it makes this app feel worthwhile already. I did buy a little bit of Disney today. I bought it on Cash App. You know, Cash App, you can do the fractional shares, no problem. $20, $50, $100, whatever it is, you can put fractional shares on Cash App, and it's like straight to your, like, through your debit card. I don't even have to really like use, like, you know, deposit funds and stuff like that. So there's different benefits to using different applications. But here's something. Ripple files a lawsuit against YouTube. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Ripple files a lawsuit against YouTube, but you know what? It's for something that we all have seen on YouTube, and I guess, you know, Brad Garlinghouse and just Ripple Labs, they're just like, man, we're tired of it, man. So Ripple Labs and its CEO, they filed a lawsuit against YouTube for its alleged complicity in a spate of repeated XRP giveaway scams. Bro, I know you guys have seen this. People will post thumbnails that look very much like this. Very nice looking thumbnails. It will be like a conference, a live stream, and they'll be showing like an old conference or some speech that took place from Brad Garlinghouse with Ripple, or Vitalik Buterin with Ethereum, or, you know, whoever, and they'll be announcing like a large giveaway. And YouTube has not been taking those down. It's crazy. They've been attacking a lot of different content creators for cryptocurrency, yet they have not been taking down those scam videos, man. Otto Bake said, hell yeah, I know exactly what you're talking about. Bro, I see it all the time. I see it for Binance a lot. I see it for Ripple, and I see it for Ethereum. I see it for those three the most, man. I see it for Binance a lot. And so finally, Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple, they're suing YouTube over this. And the thing that they're saying is that right here, this is YouTube's alleged complicity. Let's make sure we get that word. Let's make sure we get that word completely understood. All right. The state of being involved with others in an illegal activity or wrongdoing. All right. So let's just make it clear. In their involvement, their illegal involvement. They said YouTube profits from the scam by knowingly selling paid ads on behalf of the fraudsters who are impersonating Ripple and Mr. Garlinghouse. Wow. These guys are spot on, man. These guys are spot on, man. Otto said people goofy, but honestly, YouTube ain't gonna stop it. Don't affect them. I mean, we'll see, man. We'll see. They probably had to do too much updates in order for this to really like change, because there's no like verified accounts on YouTube in a sense like Twitter check or Instagram check or whatever the case might be. I don't think they don't have anything like that on YouTube, but you never know, it might get there. You never know. But nonetheless, I don't want it to go there. I think it will complicate things a lot. But they're right, man. YouTube profits from this because they're running ads on these videos. So the scammers are double dipping. They're getting ad revenue, and YouTube is making money from advertisers. He said these ads, so-called video discovery ads, are designed by YouTube to appear at the top of its search result page alongside organic search results. Okay, so what he's actually saying is that these guys are running ads. These guys are actually running ads, and we're seeing them at the top of the search results, usually on the top right hand side, kind of like this, and YouTube is getting paid for it. So maybe we'll read this one, and you guys get the point though. YouTube's deliberate inaction has irreparably harmed and continues to irreparably harm Ripple's brand and Mr. Garlinghouse's reputation. It's also injured countless individuals who fell victim to the scam, which, you know, sadly, some people are still new to crypto. People are always going to be new into crypto, new into investing. So sadly, people do get scammed, man. So he's saying these harms will continue to grow in scope and severity absent intervention by the court. So if the court doesn't step in, a lot of people are still going to continue to get scammed. And you know what? He's just 100% right about this. However, who knows how YouTube's reaction is going to be. We done seen people get their whole accounts removed and suspended randomly because of like some algorithm ish. It's crazy. Seems like we're getting quite the pullback. It looks like Ethereum might be getting close to under 170. I'm definitely taking a much more balanced approach to my investing moving forward. You know, it's going to be a nice combination of stocks and crypto. You know, I was really on some just like all crypto and then slowly getting into stocks. But now that I've taken a step back, it's going to be probably the inverse, opposite. Maybe I'll go heavier on stocks. Probably not though, but I'll definitely be balancing my portfolio and looking at it as one thing, not just, hey, this is my crypto portfolio and this is my stock portfolio. I will know that there is a difference, but it's all just going to be, these are my investments and this is how I'm investing. Otto Banks asks, would I ever do a podcast with crypto and culture? Hell no, bro. Hell no. I don't need homie, bro. I don't need him. Nah, I'm joking. I would definitely do a podcast with my boy, man. Absolutely, man. And we need to just figure something out, do a little feature on each other's channel. We've been talking about it for a long time, but we also talked about like not forcing it, making sure we stay on top of it, but not really forcing it. But we gonna get something going, man. Oh boy, man. Yeah, that's how you feel though? That's how you feel, Kenzie? Matt Sandstrom asks, how's my DeFi saver going? Bro, how many... I know we went over this already, bro. That gotta be a joke. Nah, we not even building our brand separately, man. Like, and well, we are, but it's not like it's on some, you stay on that side, I stay on this side. We just gonna figure it out. We might just pull up on each other, do an actual skit. We might try to get a live stream together. Yeah. Otto Banks said he loved that interview with Miss somebody. I forgot what her name was. Nah, Matt, I haven't jumped it back into DeFi Saver, bro. I jumped out of cryptocurrency, out of my stocks, out of everything, and focused on my emergency fund because it wasn't something that I quite had in place prior to this pandemic happening. And with all the life changes that I've had, I needed to make sure that was the first thing that I got handled. And I feel a lot more comfortable now, but I'm still stacking on into my emergency fund, but not at the same rate. I have over the 3 months period that you need. And you know, with a baby now in a house, I just can't play those type of games. I can't be that type of risky. So now I'm back in, but little by little. Also, I gotta I'm not gonna talk about them yet. I won't quite talk about them yet. And we'll talk about Snapchat in a minute. I know I'm kind of blocking what this says. Maybe we'll do that. Yeah, we'll talk about Snapchat. But crap, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, a sponsor reached out to me, so you might soon see me shilling a little bit, you know, getting my little sponsor game going. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. I gotta make a strategy to just grow. Like, I can't let my mind like prevent me from doing things. I'm not gonna be unethical, but you might see some price predictions on my channel coming up and stuff like that. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna really do that, but I might. Maybe I'll do it like a little different from everybody else, or I've seen some people do it too, where you do like 3 levels. Like, what would a high level be? What would you know, a middle level be? And then what would the bearish scenario be also? Even though people only want to hear that high number. But yeah, man, you might see price prediction videos from me. I'm about to just, you know, top 5 coins that I'm hearing that I like, and whatever, man, that coins that I'm hodling. You might see all of that stuff from me, because that's the type of stuff that really gets views. Hey, I appreciate that, Otto. You like, we rocking with you regardless. Much appreciated, bro. But like, part of it is that I want to do this also just to like show people like, yo, you could grow the channel, man. You could grow a channel and make some money for real, and not only grow my portfolio live, but grow my following and the channel, and how much money I can make on YouTube. All of that stuff happen in front of everybody. Josh M asks, can you transfer Cash App stocks to Robinhood or other broker? I believe you can, but usually these other brokers have fees. I mean, there's usually a transfer fee, and some of these companies are willing to reimburse you for it. I think you can. I don't see why you wouldn't be able to. Let me go back here real quick. Webull they actually reimburse you up to $100 when you transfer 2,000 or more. So transfer fee reimbursement right here. I'm shilling Webull for 2 reasons. One, because it's actually a really good app. Like, it's a good application. I use it on my desktop and I use it on my mobile. And 2, they have crazy referral rewards. Like, if I were anybody in here and you don't have Webull, I would say sign up using my link in the description just to support your boy. But on top of that, like, start referring people. Like, go grab your wifey, go grab your hubby, go grab your mom's phone and sign them up. Sign them up, bro. Get them all signed up. Get your sister, your brother, whoever, get them signed up, and you'll get some free stocks. I got some free stocks. You know what I'm saying? And they give out 2 free stocks once somebody deposits $100. Like, I'm giving my wife that 100. Like, yo, put that in there. Pause. I already signed her up, but I got a deposit $100. Was just waiting for the account to clear. I'm about to double check. Bro, just go get that bag, man, and then you can support your boy out as well at the same time. But I'm pretty sure there's a transfer fee, but that's something that I'll look into for you, Josh. I'll definitely look into that, and you'll probably find out before I even give you an answer, but still, I'll look into that for you. So Snapchat, they surged in the after hours market, like we spoke about over here, 20%. As you can see in the top right hand corner, during after hours. So we expect Snapchat to pretty much rise up, and it's one of the free stocks that I got from Webull, because they beat their earnings and their Q1 users. So so they reported $462 million, and Wall Street expectations was $430 million. So they beat the expectations, which is great for them. And then also their daily active users was 229 million, which they say is representing a 20% year over year gain. 20%, man, that's pretty amazing. So they expected it to be 224. That's an extra 4.5 million. Extra 4.5 million, man. Sorry, I have to sometimes like mess with my chat to make sure that everything shows. Like, there's like a little setting that says top chat and live chat. I had to switch it. But yeah, so Snapchat, they're doing a great job. Over 4.5 million users over their projected growth. So they're doing pretty good. They beat their earnings expectations by over $30 million for the first quarter. So some of these tech companies that are helping people during this whole pandemic while people are quarantining, definitely doing very well. And Snapchat is one of them. And Snapchat has been suffering. They've been struggling, to be completely honest. And I'm pretty sure it's a breath of fresh air. When I got that free stock from Webull, I was like, Snapchat. Now I'm like, Snapchat. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, so Crypto and Culture said he got a cam link for his PlayStation 4 and camera, so he's about to start live stream soon. So you about to start live streaming games? Hey, what's his name? Yeah, they never took the Facebook deal, man. But you know what, man? Yeah, then Instagram really just shafted them, bro. Instagram just took the stories. Pardon me. Instagram took stories, and it was over after that. It was over. And Instagram, bro, I don't even think Instagram is it publicly traded, or is it just under like the whole Facebook umbrella? Because boy, oh boy, Instagram has been popping lately, man. Let's see. Since Facebook's own Instagram, you can't buy Instagram stock directly. Yeah, so you just gotta invest in Facebook directly, I guess. That's true. Snap is still alive, but it is for the thotties out there that's selling personalized videos and things of that nature. By the way, if you're not following me on Twitter, I don't really do anything on here, but feel free to check your boy out. Give a follow on Twitter. Man, I'm really excited about that video that I got. It's gonna be like in a week or so. But as I figure out, I'd like to do the stream every day, but I'm probably not. But what I will do though, instead of what I did like last time, which I feel a little guilty about, is I will explain what my schedule will be if I'm not gonna be doing live streams every day, just to set some expectations. But I'd rather do them every day. I just want to really get some of these videos that will get me some more views, a little bit more exposure. I see people that don't work as hard as me growing because they're playing it smarter than me. You know what I'm saying? And I got to make sure I do the same thing. Let's see if this thing fixed. Okay. Nope, it didn't fix. Look at this 3.1% under this one, and this 1%. Yeah, like, why is the 24-hour column not working the same? Like, it's not working properly. It's really annoying. So is there any hidden gems out there? TikTok is actually it's like a Chinese owned company. It's not an American based company, believe it or not. And there's actually a lot of talks about how certain, I don't know how to really put it into context easily, but certain companies, depending on where they're located in China, they have to share data with their government. And they're saying TikTok is like just a data mining machine right now. Look, Autobank said TikTok spying on you. For real. They don't just sell data from what you're doing on TikTok and what you're looking at on TikTok. They actually sell data for multiple things that's happening on your phone. You know, you give them permissions to your camera, permissions to your microphone, permissions to all types of things, but they have to actually provide data to certain governments, and I forgot which one it was, man. It's like Beijing, I don't even know. Yeah, all the others are too. The only difference is like China is like foreign intelligence almost, you know what I'm saying? For real. And as much as I'm like, man, whatever, I don't care about this government beefs and stuff that they have going on, like, and I kind of really still don't, like, I still live here in America. I'm an American at the end of the day, and that's who I rep. You know what I'm saying? I got a Haitian background, so I always got pride in that. I'm black, of course, utmost pride in that, but I'm American. That's crazy. Crypto and Culture said Facebook just gave the feature to turn off the app spying. Isn't that crazy that that's a feature? That's like, how is that a feature? Like, hey, can we still spy on you, or you know, we'll give you the option. Up to you. America. It's bananas, man. So I don't know about you guys, but it seems like the traditional stock markets have been more interesting stuff been going on in traditional stocks than in crypto. Crypto is only interesting when it's going up. You start to like get that invigorating feeling. If that is that a word, that I use that right? You start to get that feeling of just like, oh my god, innovation is en route. It's on its way, man. Do you understand what is about to happen right now? Like, when it's bullish, bro, like, it's like the technology is about to drop ASAP. And let's be real, like, a lot of these companies make it seem that way. They're like, hey, we just did this partnership and that partnership and in this quarter and our roadmap and yada yada. And then crypto gets bearish and it's quiet. It's like these companies never even had anything in the works. It's like, what's going on? What happened to all the buildle? I don't even know how to say that word. I just say build. All the building, man. Yep, crypto is a poor man's dream because it's so close, but it's far away. I agree with that, man. I'm in crypto. I'm in crypto, man. I'm rocking with it, but man, crypto culture laughing. He know it's facts though, man. Look, I'm in crypto. I'm long term with it, but let's look at the monthly on this, man. I'm okay getting in like right here, something like that. Like I'm okay getting in right here. I talked about this before, man. You know, crypto is like here, man. It's like, let me see, 2013. Look, 10 years. So 2002, we're looking at stock charts for Netflix. 2002. By 2012, this is where they were at. Their highest point was like somewhere here in the 40s. So like we're 10 years in to crypto. We're like right here. Look how much more Netflix has done since. Like, come on, bro. Let's find out who's really got some good products that's working, and be smart. Like, we know Ethereum works to a certain extent, at least. Like it's done what it was created for, but it's getting better. We know Bitcoin does what it's created for. Don't know how much better it will get, but people are turning to it, you know. So that oil dip was a crypto dip factory, bro. It really was. And Otto said crypto done burnt him worse than oil. That's like so crazy. Like that whole phrase is just well put together. I like that. Crypto burnt me more than oil, worse than oil. I'ma say he been watching Quant, Link, and Tezos. I might join the Stinky Linkies. Cause I've always liked Chainlink, I've always liked Chainlink. I've had Chainlink years ago when I was just in and out of different projects, sold it, whatever. And then, and the reason I got into it is because when I went to their website, when I was just looking through CoinMarketCap for some hidden gems, I seen that they had a partnership with Gartner, which is like a cybersecurity kind of company or something like that. And I would pass by Gartner every single day. Like they have one of their headquarters up in Fort Myers. So I used to pass by Gartner. I'm like, word? Gartner? It's crazy because I had looked up Gartner before and they're a multi-billion-dollar company. So I'm like, word? So I always had like an interest, and then I fell out of it. And then the hype, everybody, you know, making it seem like it's top 5 coin, and it might be. It definitely like made me a little standoffish, man. Otto said, you smart as hell. I ain't think people was gonna catch the wordplay. You dropping bars out here, bro. You dropping bars. Hey, what up, Dominic Kennedy? Yo, Otto asked Kenzie, yo, he said put him on with Shorty, Ashley Wright. Hey, that was a good interview, man. That was a good interview, bro. All jokes aside, man, definitely a good interview. My man's got all the watch time. He said, yo. He said, she an MLM scammer though. Oh boy. For anybody that hasn't, all right. So anyway, like I was saying, man, for crypto, I don't need to be in right here taking risks, man. I'm okay getting in like right here, man. And this is over 10 years of Netflix. When I say like right here, we're only 10 years into cryptocurrency. For a lot of these projects, we're only 3 years in, 2 years in. So you know what it is, man. Like, it's early, bro. It's really early. Take it easy. Don't go all in on some of these altcoins that have done absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. So where's my boy Crypto and Culture? Hey, so for anybody that don't know, man, Crypto and Culture, man, he got yo them subs going up, bro. I see you, man. I see you, bro. You getting there, man. That's what's up, bro. He's definitely puts out very entertaining content, and informative at the same time. Very down to earth, you know. my young protege, basically. Nah, I'm just playing around. I'm just playing. Completely different style, man. This guy is actually funny, does funny skits and stuff. I'm just out here just trying to sound like a geek. But you know, did a nice interview recently with the Right Success.
I'm sorry, guys.
Just, do I need to say more? Go watch this interview. Go watch this interview. That's all I'm saying. Oh yeah, then he has other videos. You getting back to the skits? Bro, I can't wait till y'all see this next little skit that I'm doing, bro. And it's not like a skit. Pause. Like, it ain't like a skit. But it's gonna be more like a situation. It's a skit, but it's not like a just a comedy skit. You know what I'm saying? But I love when you do your skits, bro. Like watching your videos are very easy. Very chill, very easy, man. But yeah, if you guys haven't checked out my do this before you buy Bitcoin video, make sure you guys check that out as well. Got a nice little introduction on there, so go ahead and check that out. Put a little bit of effort into that. Put a lot of time. Actually, I don't mean to like watch my own videos and stuff, but Bitcoin, it's an online digital currency, not tied to any government or nation. All the little sounds you hear in there, I added to this video. It takes time to make this stuff, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like the beat, you know, I'd be making my own beats, but I think that I need to stop being so like trying to take all the work on my own shoulders. I might start using other music from like subscription websites and stuff, because making my own beats for all of these videos is just a lot of work. But I made the music, I put the sounds on all of these things that's happening. Like, it's run on a network based all around the world. Anyone is welcome to all these little sounds. I like downloaded them and put them things in and stuff. Go ahead and check that video out, man. I put some good effort into that. I'd appreciate it if y'all just go hit the like button and maybe leave a comment or something, man. Much appreciated for everybody who already did. And if you get a chance, man. Bruh, hours to make these videos, 12 views. Hey, you ain't even lying, bro. It takes a minute to make these videos, man. That one actually took me like 2 days, not a full 2 days, but I actually like stepped away from it and came back and finished it up. Like, I was typing it. It'd be kind of crazy. Thanks, Imus, man. I appreciate you, bro. Thank you for making an absolute oath and putting everything you have on the line to go watch that video. Much appreciated, man. But yo, we about to get up out of here. It's 8:53, so I'm gonna pretty much wrap things up. Thanks again for coming back, yo. For anybody that didn't catch it earlier, I will not stop shilling this. Free stocks, guys. This is not only good opportunity for us both to get free stocks, but it's just a good opportunity for you to try to make a little side hustle as well. Do what I'm doing, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? Do what I'm doing too. Shill this. It's a really good application. It's very good application. You can do a lot of research on it. You'll be blown away. And they give out really good referral rewards. So if you do not have an account with Webull, use the link in the description below. We'll both get 2 free stocks once you deposit $100. And if you don't, we'll still both get 1 free stock. And right now the promotion's crazy. If you can refer 2 people, you'll get 6 free stocks, guys. It's crazy out there. So make sure y'all go ahead and check that out. Crazy. It looks like we had a few stragglers just jump in, but we closing up for the most part, man. So that's it for the Shill stream today. like I said, I got a couple of I got a sponsor that reached out to me, so I'll definitely be shilling that sponsor, making sure I get that little extra bag. Why not? You know what I'm saying? Gotta find a way to earn out here, make this little side paper, side hustle. So look out for that. And make sure you guys check out some of my recent videos as mentioned. And I'll catch you guys on the next vid, man. I am out of here. Peace.